What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What in the world? I don't get this. Ugh. Duh. Duh. That's how you lighten it up. I mean, how did you turn into a phoenix? Did you actually turn into a phoenix? Yes, I did. I'm your grandmother. What? Yeah, I was once a cat. Then I was a phoenix. You know this movie called Moana? Huh? What's Moana? Her grandmother whenever she died, she's turned into a beautiful stingray. Duh. I don't believe you. You can come if you want to live with us. Okay. I'll just wait here. Guys! Huh? What? Why are you here? My grandma, she, what? What's about my mom? Your mom turned into a phoenix. What? I want to see. I've never seen a phoenix before, and I need to see it. Okay. Come on now, Grandma. Wow, you're so beautiful. Okay, could you help us with that? Okay, I can move that with my wind, with my fire. Alright, done. Oh. Take me with you. Okay. Ah! Right, did you make a safe landing? Oh. Yes, Mother. Okay, then. Oh, excuse me, little duck. What's on me? Anyways, it's nighttime. Okay, it's time to go to bed. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Wake up. Oh. Come on now, wake up. Okay. What? Oh. Okay. Come on now, sister. What in the world? What? Okay then, let's just start our day. Okay, I'll just sit on the chair. There's only one chair here. Duh. Just another chair. No. Let's move the table. Brian's right, Mom. Okay. Come in. Can I join? Oh, Stelluna. Let's switch places. Okay. What's wrong, Selena? Just I hurt my wing. The secret of the flags. Let's make a birthday cake. It's my birthday. I'm gonna make a raspberry cake with. I'll make 2 cakes. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna mix these together. Okay. Alright. Put this in the oven. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm really starving. Alright. Yes, okay. Ugh. Yay, my birthday cake. Ugh. Okay, put this on the table. Okay, let's see what we have in here. Okay, let's see. Berry. This time, lipstick. Yogurt. Soda pop. And these 2 ingredients. Okay. Put this on the counter. Let's see here. Put all these ingredients in the Dipsy bowl. Okay, take out the bag. Let's put this back in. Let's put this in. Set a timer. Okay. Birthday cake, yes. Put this on the table. Okay, let's open up the fridge.